In this video, we are going to look at word problems on linear sequence. Recall in our previous video, we looked at arithmetic progression, how to find the first time, the common difference, and also how to generate the term for the n term, which given the expression Tn equals to A plus n minus 1. So today we are going to focus on solving word problems. So let's begin. The first question we have here is, three consecutive terms of a linear sequence are 1 over m, 1, and 6 all over m plus 2, where m is not equals to 0, m is also not equals to minus 2. So we are to find the value of n, right? So let's have our solution here. Now the given sequence are 1 over m, 1, and 6 over m plus 2. Now from this sequence we can see that the first term, this gives us the first term, this 1 over m is the first term and 1 is the second term, and this will give us the third term. Now from the common difference, we note that the common difference is the difference between the second term and the first term, which is also equals to the difference between the third term and the second term. So let's go ahead and substitute the value of the second term into the given expression. So we have here T2 is 1 and T1 is 1 over m, and this is also equals to T3, and T3 here is 6 over m plus 2 minus 1, right? Okay, so if we simplify this expression, we are going to have m minus 1 all divided by m, and in the other hand, if we simplify this 6 over m plus 2 minus 1, so this is gonna give us 6 minus m plus minus 1 times m plus 2. All this is being divided by m plus 2. Expanding this bracket, you are going to have 6 minus m minus 2 all divided by m plus 2. So this is gonna be 6 minus 2 is 4, so this will be 4 minus m all divided by m plus 2. So this expression, when we simplify it, we are going to have 4 minus m all divided by m plus 2. Okay, so at this stage we are going to cross multiply so that we will be able to find the value of m. Okay, so when we cross multiply, we are going to have m plus 2 times m minus 1 equals to m into bracket 4 minus m, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and expand this bracket. We are going to have m squared plus 2m minus m minus 2, right, equals to 4m minus m squared. Grouping like terms, we're gonna have m squared plus m squared, 2m minus 2m, 2m minus m will give us positive m minus 2 equals to, okay, I think I want to send everything to the left hand side. So this will be minus 4m equals to 0. Let's go ahead and simplify this expression. M squared plus m squared will give us 2m, so this will be 2m squared, and this is m minus 4m, that will be minus 3m minus 2 equals to 0. Now looking at this equation, we've seen that this equation has led us to quadratic equation. And so we can factorize this equation. By factorization, we are going to have it to be 2m plus 1 or m minus 2 equals to 0. So in this case, m will be equals to minus 1 over 2, or m will be equals to positive 2. Okay, so let's check if this value of m will satisfy this given condition here, right? So let's check if the value of m will satisfy the given condition. So let's see, check. So when m equals to minus 1 over 2, now the expression given to us is m minus 1 all divided by m equals to 4 minus m all divided by m plus 2. So here we are going to have minus 1 over 2 minus 1 all divided by minus 1 over 2 equals to, here it's going to be 4 minus 1 over 2 all divided by m minus, no, m, okay, minus 1 over 2 plus 2. When we simplify the expression at the left hand side, we are going to have minus 3 over 2 times minus 2 over 1 equals to 9 over 2 times 2 over 3. Okay, so when you do this, it's going to give us positive 6 over 2 equals to 18 all over 6, and 6 divided by 2 is 3, 18 divided by 2 is 3. Alright, so let's also check when m equals to positive 2. So we substitute into this expression, right? So this will be 2 minus 1 all divided by 2 equals to 4 minus 2 all divided by 2 plus 2, right? So 2 minus 1 will be 1 over 2 equals to 2 over 4, which is the same thing as 1 over 2 equals to 1 over 2. So we can see that when m equals to minus 1 over 2, it satisfies the given expression, or okay, and this also satisfies the given condition. So we can say that the value of m is m equals to minus 1 over 2 or m equals to 2. Let's take a look at another question. We have here the fourth term of an arithmetical progression is 15 and the ninth term is 35. Find the 15th term. So we know the fourth term, t of 4, is given to be 15, and we also see that t of 9 is given to be 35. So we have to find the 15th term, right? So from this given expression, so we have to find the 15th term. Now we can see that t4 in expression, recall in when we were generating the sequence for the term for arithmetic sequence, we have the first term a, the second term a plus the common difference, and the third term is a plus 2 of the common difference. So the fourth term will be given by the expression a plus 3 of the common difference, which is equals to 15. So we can call this equation 1. And also the ninth term is also going to be given by the expression a plus 8 times the common difference equals to 35, and we call this equation 2. Let's go ahead and say if we have equation 2 minus equation 1. Okay, so when we say a minus a is gone, and here will be 8d minus 3d will give us 5d, so we are going to have 5d equals to 35 minus 15 will give us 20, dividing both sides by 5, the common difference d will be 4. Okay, so let's take note of this. Okay, from here we can solve for the value of a, the first term. So let's say we put d equals to positive 4 into equation 1. So that will be a plus 3, the value of d is 4, equals to 15. So this will be a plus 12 is going to give us 15. So a will be equals to 15 minus 12. So we can say that therefore a is equals to 3. So we also have to take note of this because they are vital information we need to find the 15 term. Okay, now we have able to find the common difference and the first term. We can go ahead and use this to find the 15 term. So we know that the expression for the 15 term will be given by a plus 14 times d. So this is the 15 term equals to the value of a is 3 plus 14 times the common difference, which is 4. And if you see it, that's gonna give us 3 plus 56. 14 times 4 will give us 56, and if you sum this up, this is gonna give us 59. So we can draw a conclusion that therefore the 15 term is what? 59. Alright, now let's move on to the last question for this section. We have here, if 8, p, q, r and 20 are arithmetic progression, find p, q and r. So we know that this is the first term. Okay, let's put it this way. The first term is also equals to a equals to 8. So let's take note of this expression here. Okay, and there, this will be the second term, the third term, the fourth term, and so this will be the fifth term. So we can say that the fifth term is given to be 20. Okay, and the expression for the fifth term is f5 will be equals to a plus 4d equals to 20, right? So we know the first term to be 8, so this will be 8 plus 4d equals to 20. So let's solve for the common difference. So this will be 4d equals to 20 minus 8, and with this gonna give us 4d equals to 12. Divide both sides by 4, divide both by 4, then we are going to have d to be equals to 3. Another vital information we need to take note of, d equals to 3. Now we are asked to find the value of p, q and r. So we have the first term and the common difference, and we know that the second term in the given expression t2 is equals to p, and the expression will be a plus d. So the value of a is 8 and that of d is 3, and so p will give the value of 11. So this will be for p. Let's go ahead and box this. Alright, let's also solve for q. So we have here t3 is equals to q, which is given by the expression a plus 2 times this common difference. So here means that q will be equals to the value of a is 8 plus 2 of the common difference, which is 3. So this is gonna give us 8 plus 6, so we can say that therefore Q is going to be 8 plus 6 is 14. Okay, Q, so this is the value of Q. Now let's take the last one, R. So we have a T of, that will be the fourth term, right? Okay, so this is gonna give us is R, and the expression is A plus 3D. So here is R equals to, the value of A is 8 plus 3 times the common difference, which is 3. So R here will be 8 plus 9, because 3 times 3 is 9. So the value of R will be 8 plus 9 is 17. So that will be the value of R. So in conclusion, we can say that we have here P, Q, N, R, R. So in conclusion, we can say that the value of P, Q, and R are 11, 14, and 17 respectively. Okay, so this is how to go about a problem like this. Okay, thank you for joining me into this lesson.